think we're recording everywhere. What's going on, guys? It's Nando back again with another video. Thanks for stopping by. Now let's make these videos sweet, short, and simple and to the point. Inside here, I've got a little goodie bag. Let's start with this guy. I'll see that. Let's zoom in. It's a mini phone, so there we go. Look at that. Yes. This is the iPhone 13 mini. It's kind of cute, right? I decided this year to give it a shot and see, what that small form factor is all about, because I'm excited about pocketable phones. If you guys see my previous videos, I like foldable phones. I like things that go from big. Oh, let me stop right there. So this is a small iPhone. Does it say how big this is? It's like a 5-point-something inch device. All I can tell you is at the Apple store, I picked it up and I was like, this is a joke. It's so small, it's a joke. And people have much bigger hands than mine, so I can't even imagine. But the biggest reason why I got it, and guys, if you know me, let me know in the comment section below what I get excited about, and that is battery life. So Apple says that this gets 1.5 more hours of battery life than the previous iPhone 12 mini. And hey, more battery is more excitement for Nando, so yeah, I decided I was going to give that a shot. Apple's been on this real simple, minimalistic tear in terms of like packaging and such. That's a nice blue, isn't it? I think so. I think that's a nice blue. What's inside the box? Huh? Ourselves a lightning cable designed by Apple. Maybe some Apple stickers, and that's it. That's all you get, guys. That's all you get in the box. Let's move it aside. Wow. It's like an Area 51 for you Ford Maverick Bronco users. Well, Area 51 blue. Those camera modules are large, those sensors, if you will. Yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it. You peel it back. Boom. And that's it. Nice and small. What do you guys think? I mean, literally my whole hand wraps around it nice and easily. It's just tiny. Cutouts. Blue on the side, which I like. Hey, if the battery life on this phone isn't that bad, I don't know. I don't know. But there you have it, guys. I'm not going to turn it on. I'm not going to set it up. There's tons of videos that do that. Tips, tricks, iOS 15, you name it. This is a quick unboxing, like I said, of the iPhone 13 mini. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. If there's anything in particular that you want me to talk about, review, or discuss when it comes to this phone, let me know. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Like always, it was Nando. Peace, salute, adios. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Stay geeky. Okay, cool. See you in literally a few minutes.